Hi, this is Ms. Serratis. In this video, we're going to look at Norfolk Construction Company. So open up your file from Google Classroom, and you should notice that we have all these hashtags, which are actually referred to as the pound symbol. And do not be alarmed by them. It simply means that there are numbers in these cells that you cannot see. For example, if I click on this cell, I see a little box popping up with the number 150,000. I also see it in the formula bar. There's 150,000, but I don't see it because I need to widen the column, which we will do in a little bit. So directions 2, 3, and 4 is asking you to apply some formatting to these 3 lines here. So pause the video, go ahead and do it. You should already know how to do this part without my help. Come on back. Welcome back. Starting with direction number 5, we want to widen column A to make it bigger to the size 18 characters. So click in the column header. Click between the A and the B. You see a width box pops up. Drag until you get to the number 18 and stop. Number 6 is going to have you select B through E. Again, I like to select up in the column header area. That selects the entire column. I'm just going to right click anywhere in the body, go to column width, and type in the number 14 and click OK. So what you did was widen 4 columns at the same time. By using the dialog box where you actually type in the numbers. I'm going to undo that. Alternatively, you could have picked any of these and just dragged it to number 14. And then what that will do is do all of them at the same time. And so all 4 of them are done at the same time. Number 7, we're going to select rows 9 through 15. And we want to change the column width. I'm going to right click. Column height, go to row height, and we want to type in the number 18 and then click OK. Also, you could have dragged 1 to 18 and that would have worked. Direction number 8 is going to show you how to hide a column. So we're going to select D and E. Notice how I always select up in the column headers themselves. I am now going to right click and I'm going to the word hide. And the way that I know that the column is hidden is if I look at my letters, it goes from A, B, C, and then up to F. Let me show you an example. Let me undo. Let's say instead I were to right click and delete. Notice what happened to my letters. They stayed the same in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E. But when you hide, the letters disappear. They become hidden, A, B, C, F. So that's the difference between hiding and deleting. Deleting means they're gone. Hidden means they're there. You kind of see something weird going on over here. They are there, you just can't see them. So number 9 wants you to hide row 9. I'm going to right click on number 9, the row header, go down to hide and look at it. It goes from 8 to 10. Number 9 is hidden. At this point, you need to save your file. You need to do a file, make sure you do a save as, go to your directory, and go to your username, I should say, and save it. Please call it Part 1. Make sure you call it Norfolk Construction Company Part 1. Do that and come on back. Welcome back. We're going to continue and we're going to unhide. And the way you unhide is some kids like to come over here and drag it out. I recommend you don't do that because that's going to change the widths that you set previously. Instead, select C and F, right click, and go to unhide. And there they are. Same thing for unhiding row 9, select 8 and 10, right click, unhide, and there it is. So you just did directions 12 and 13. Time to do number 14, which is to apply the currency style B9 all the way to E9, and it's also asking us to do B15 up through E15. I use my control to select both of them. Make sure you're on the home tab. Apply the $sign, decrease decimal. And then the remaining numbers, you need to apply the comma style and decrease decimal. And that is the finish part. You want to now go in and do a save as. Don't just hit save. Do a save as and change it to Part 2. Norfolk Construction Company Part 2. And in order to get full credit for this assignment, you have to upload 2 files. The one that says Part 1, which is with the directions through number 9, and then the one that says Part 2, which is unhiding and doing the rest of the formatting. So again, 2 files need to be uploaded for full credit. Thanks guys, have fun with this one.